In this video, I'll show you how you can use Qnect for estimation. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the Qnect dashboard and create a new project. Then you can go to the preferences, and in the first page under basic information, you will see here under how would you like Qnect to process connections. You need to set this to estimating only. Then you can continue with the rest of the preferences like engineering and detailing preferences. You set them up. And the last thing you need to check is set the estimated parts table to catch connections that fail in detailing and erection checks, which will be calculated or used based on the table. So the idea of estimating only projects is that because Qnect does multiple checks to your connections, like detailing issues and erection issues. So if the connection fails in any of those issues, Qnect will not design the connections. But for the estimating purpose, you may need just to have the connections there so you can do your estimating. So you want as many connections to be inserted as possible so you do accurate estimating. So if you have this option set, estimating only, Qnect will ignore those checks if they fail and will insert the connection. So next I will switch to Qnect dashboard and show you how you can do those steps. So now we are here in the project itself. So I created a new project from the dashboard. And under basic information here, you will see how would you like Qnect to process your connection. So you choose estimating only. And then you can continue with the rest of the preferences like connection types and loading and so on. Then you have your mandated connections or estimating connections. So here you got estimating double angle and estimating shear plate. Those tables will be used if the design of connection failed within Qnect due to loading issue, due to erection issue, or due to detailing issue. So let's go to the table here just to show an example how you can define one. So you have this rows here that you can fill. What is the beam to beam, load from and to. You just follow the information here. You define the number of bolts, the bolt diameter, the horizontal distance to hole, and you see this sketch here will let you know what this setback mean and what this dimension mean and so on. So you can do this for each connection as a connection table. You fill this table. You can also click here to fill it in Excel and paste it, so it will save you time. And once you fill this for all the cases, then Qnect will have this as a reference in case of any connection fails due to any reason. It will go here and pick that connection based on the data in this table so that you can have as many connections in the model as possible and you get more accurate estimate. I have an example here from the Tekla model. So this beam-to-beam connection design failed by Qnect due to the beam having high end load, 400 gips for W16, which is too high. So this is not designed, but let's say you want to design this connection for the estimation purpose. So you select this connection, two beams, and then I will choose my estimating preference and design. So Qnect have inserted the connection based on the loads table and based on the estimating table that we define the number of bolts and shear plate thickness and so on. So even though this connection failed in the design, but still Qnect inserted a connection that you can use for estimating. So imagine if you have a huge model with lots of cases where connections were not successful due to a loading issue like this, or due to detailing issue, or site or erection issue. Those connections will not be designed, but if you want Qnect to insert the connection for estimating purpose, you do as we did. You define those tables and you activate estimating only preferences. So this is useful at the early stage of the project if you want to do estimating. So that's it, and thank you for watching this video.